a simple design, kind of. Let me see, I need to get some of these. It's a filigrana.
Does yours have anything sparkly in it?
No, no, that's just black. But what happened was I took a black rod dipper, but it makes a nice fine line. It doesn't spread out.
Oh.
And it's okay if you leave it kind of raised up and bumpy, because sometimes it'll trap a little air, give it a little bubble, but you can still see the hearts through it.
So it's metallic black with a clear over it.
Yeah.
Filigrana.
Yeah. And then pulled into a stringer. Now this red, I probably got it in my archives of what color or what it is. But this works okay. If you use something like a rainbow, it's not going to work too good. This is just the right amount for some reason. Come on, oxygen.
So the dichroic is on the bottom side, yeah?
Yeah.
You don't burn it off.
You don't want to burn that off, no. And nowadays, you can still burn it off, but sometimes even on the surface it doesn't burn up if you do it right. Should have preheated it a little bit more, but that's okay.
Oh, you mean the dichroic stick?
Yeah. The only problem with this is the dichroic comes out on the side, but it's not so much the dichroic. There's a divisification on the edge of the dichroic that shows up a little bit, but
is that
that little milky
funky
looking, yeah, like it got burnt a little bit.
Yeah, but that's just the dichroic.
Yeah, and yeah, it's on the edge.
Yeah, I was touching it. It feels, you know that there's something there. Do you like to encase it?
Yeah, I put a little more on there, but it's just a.
Hi, Cakes. How you been? Good. I'm making Calvin. I'm making a video of Mr. Calvin making a heartbeat. I'm gonna put it up on YouTube.
Oh,
after.
okay, good.
This is his new song. Valentine. So making it work. Good. I'm thinking like maybe a cute little poem. Maybe it's just stand up at the table and make the wire. Or a necklace with a tassel.
Maybe make a couple longer ones, huh? I don't know. It's just feeding that stuff on there. I could get faster at it. My first couple, I didn't. Ordering? You can't order these.
20.
Calvin doesn't take orders.
No, I only got so much of that red.
And he only makes it when he feels like it. That's why it's cute.
Here's another piece of it, and here's another piece of it, and that's about it.
Oh,
So, But like I said, I could always get some more Dichroic. Broke loose on the mandrel.
Oh no.
That's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay for the video. and then you put it in the kiln.
Calvin.
That didn't take very long, did it? Make it more. Here, you want to see what I made already this morning? These little things. They're just little scrap pieces that yeah.
Okay.
They're the easiest to make.